Thanks for watching Tina the Outsider. Yeah, I'm from Michigan, and I'm currently traveling from Texas to Arizona. And in this video, you'll be seeing me still in Texas. So I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you please press the like button, comment down below, and tell your friends, and let's all hang out. Get your coffee, or your tea, or your pop, or stuff you like drinking. Sweet tea. I like sweet tea. So yeah, let's hang out. Let's have some fun. Alright, I'll talk with you later. And here's the truck. Here's the Flying J Speedway. I'm currently out in Arizona, Yuma, Arizona. Alright, this is my last DoorDash for the night. I guess I'm by the freaking NASCAR race car placey thingy or something. Victory Circle. It is telling me Victory Circle. I'm going to Victory Circle. Check this out.
Continue on Victory Circle for 1.5 miles.
Ooh, the sun is so darn bright. You can't even see the road. Look at that speedway. That thing is huge. It's way bigger than...
In a 1/4 mile, turn left onto Doc Mitchell Road.
It's gonna rain all day today. So... here we go. I have to boil some water. I just connected the hose. And make sure this is open. Okay. Okay. Got it lit. Okay. Tea and oatmeal. Alright. Melting the butter for grilled cheese sandwich. Now I'm making soup. Where is it? Where's the can? Old-fashioned vegetable beef chunky soup, and Buddy just had some of his grilled cheese sandwich and he was liking it. Like, yeah, we had grilled cheese sandwich. Alright, I'm door dashing. Today is Saturday the 29th. Yeah, yep, 29th, and I got a DoorDash for them for $10.25. I'm finally up to 73 acceptance rate, only because the orders are good. So why not take the orders? Alright, now I just picked up a Chipotle order for $9. Alright, check out this one street. This is the street I'd like to live on, at least visit for a day. Hello! 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 Oh, you're so pretty. You're so pretty. Yeah, right there. Good morning, Buddy. We're at Walmart again. Buddy does not want to get out of the bed. He had his breakfast, he had his medicine, he's refusing water. He likes these doggy treats. Captain Jack got him addicted to these doggy treats. Yeah. Alright, today is Sunday the 30th. I'm gonna boil some water for some Mrs. Grass's homemade. Well, chicken noodle soup. Not homemade. What am I thinking? I'm just so happy that I'm gonna make some soup. Me and Buddy already went for a walk. I went potty. Buddy went potty. He ate. He's pretty happy. Yeah, he's happy. Okay, for $17, I'm getting a shower at Highlight. $17. Right. Here's another crazy thing DoorDash did to me today. I'm at WhatABurger, of course, and they sent me, and the order was already picked up from somebody else and had me on hold forever. This is the second screw up today. So I was reading so many signs at WhatABurger. It says download the app and get a free burger. So they put mustard on their burgers. I'm like, yeah, there's the mustard. I'm like, where in the world is mayonnaise? There's no mayonnaise? They only put mustard on their burgers. So I'll do a small review. Okay, I got lettuce on my shirt. Okay. Buddy had a couple bites of burger already. There's a lot of little pieces of lettuce that keeps falling off. It's a $4.79 burger. It's okay. If I had my choice between a Whopper, and a WhatABurger, and get a Whopper. Alright. This is right behind Walmart and all the little shopping area. And Buddy Walk. They have a nice walkway that goes all the way to, is it Marshall Creek? Yeah, Marshall Creek. And the side street, I don't know what the side street is, but they go along a little park area so me and Buddy can walk. Because DoorDash didn't treat us too kind today. There's a bunch of just horrible. I think I made $50, and it wasn't even worth that. I mean, it's probably worth about 70, but like a couple orders, I'd get there and they would cancel them. Somebody already got the order, and then they have to cancel that one, and just a whole bunch of bullcrap. And so it didn't work out so well today. So hot. Yesterday was really good. Yesterday I made $100, over $100 in like 4.5 hours. Today, I feel like I was doing it probably about the same time. I made half. So yeah, yesterday was good. Today sucked. They have all these little benches and garbage cans. This is nice. This is real nice. I just met a real nice guy that comes here to the park that I'm always here in the morning. His name is William. Thank you, William. We got talking and I showed him my setup and everything. And he noticed that I had a cold from the allergies. I told him I came to Texas and got my allergies back. So he went home and he brought me this little baggie and six things of water, bottles of water. And then he gave me an antibiotic, some Flonase, some Dayquil, some cough syrups, and he says if tomorrow's slow, here's $40. Oh my God, that was just so nice. So nice of him. So now I can go do laundry, because I need laundry done. Oh my God, that was just so nice of him. Thank you, God, for bringing him over here and just asking me if I needed help with my van, because he thought that my van broke down and I was stuck here. So yeah, that was really nice. I really appreciate it. Now I'm just wondering if I should probably cut this antibiotic in half Probably, huh? Yeah. Man, I did eat. I had my coffee. I finally changed my clothes. And tomorrow we're supposed to get a tornado. And he's told me to go to a parking structure. Find a parking structure and park. Because I'm more worried about the van. Well, I'm worried about the van, me and Buddy. But I'm really worried about the van getting damaged. Because, you know, if the van gets damaged, I'm without nothing. I'm without nothing. Me and Buddy are just walking. So, I don't want nothing like that to happen. So, alright, we gotta get working. We gotta get moving, trucking, doing whatever we gotta do. We gotta go to work before this storm really gets really bad. Alright. Thank you, William.